So I want to show you how we save a file and what files that we can save for 3D printing. Um, I've made in Tinkercad, I made this little label, like a luggage tag kind of thing. Let me show you real quick. It's real simple. As long as you can find files that are called STL files. Stands for Standard Triangle Language. STL is Standard Triangle Language. And for instance, right here, standard triangle language means that the computer looks at this and it sees it as this is a series of little triangles, which and triangles, of course, mean um, X, Y, and Z. So X and Y, in this grid pattern, X and Y is right there. Well, Z is up in this direction, that direction right there. So X, Y, and Z, that's how the computer sees this. And what that's going to do is that's going to take that X, Y, and Z into another program that we use called Kirimoto. And that's a slicing program. There's lots of different slicing programs. But it's going to turn that X, Y, and Z into numbers on a grid. And those numbers on a grid mean that it's going to go to that position and squirt a little plastic. So what we want to do is we want to export our STL file of something that we've made or found or modified, whatever. And we're going to export that as an XTL. And it's going to be called, this one's going to be called Craig Adams name tag. Now, another thing that we can do is we can go find files. Now, the first thing I would like for you to do on the 3D printer is I would like for you to print something that you've designed. And then after that, you can go to a place like this called Thingiverse and you can find something that somebody else has designed. Or you could actually find something on Thingiverse that you could then download and redesign. But like for instance, if I wanted to grab these polyhedral dice right here, if I wanted to grab one of those, what I would do is I would go down to the bottom where it says files. And those right there are your STL files for the different dice. And it shows you, what that file is. So if I wanted to grab this, let's say I want to grab this d12.stl. What I want to do is I want to download that STL file. And so I go to not open in, but I go over here to download and I download it. And so now I've got my name tag and I've got my D12 STL. So then I go back to my Kirimoto, and I can upload those files and do all the necessary things to 3D print that. There's a second video showing you how to use Kirimoto. There's a third video showing you how to print. All 3D printers are basically the same. So, like I tell you, and like I'll always tell you, struggle is good. So if you can't figure something out, it's okay to struggle through it. That's how you learn, and that's how you make progress. So struggle through it before you go and ask somebody a question or before you come to me and say, mine's not working. Struggle a little bit and you'll figure it out. So I showed you two places you can get STL files. So now you're ready. Good luck.